Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to log into your ImmNav account. So you press this login button once you've navigated to immnav.com. And if you're following this from the registering your demo account, ImmNav sent you an email that has the access code, firm username, and firm password for the test database. So we'll go ahead and enter that information in now. If you're not, you need to get this access code and the firm credentials from the managing attorney who signed up for the service. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to use the test database credentials. You should receive those in your email. And then you will enter the credentials that you signed up for when you registered for the demo account, and also your password. And then we'll press login. And there it is. That's all there is to it. Have a great day.